What if I told you that a person could live without a pulse, without a heartbeat? This isn't a sci-fi movie plot. It's a true story about the moment medicine defied death itself. Imagine this: a human heart stops beating forever, but the person is still alive. Their blood is still flowing. Their brain is still thinking. How is that possible? This is the incredible story of the world's first successful artificial heart surgery. A medical breakthrough that didn't just change history, redefined what it means to be alive. Let's rewind to 1982. At the University of Utah, a brave dentist named Dr. Barney Clark was facing the end of his life due to heart failure. But he chose to be a pioneer. He became the first person in history to receive a permanent artificial heart, a device called the Jarvik 7. Now, this wasn't just a temporary pump to help him wait for a transplant. The Jarvik 7 asterisk was asterisk, his heart. Made of plastic and aluminum, it was an engineering marvel for its time. It was powered by a complex system of air tubes connected to an external console that weighed nearly 400 pounds, about the size of a washing machine. This machine was his lifeline, taking over every single beat, every single moment of his existence. For 112 incredible days, the Jarvik 7 kept Barney Clark alive. Think about that. For 112 days, he lived without a natural heartbeat, without a pulse you could feel on his wrist. His survival was purely a result of human ingenuity. The world was glued to the news, watching in complete awe. Had we finally created a machine that could replace the most vital human organ? Of course, it wasn't simple. The surgery sparked a huge debate. Although Dr. Clark eventually passed away from complications, his immense courage and sacrifice weren't in vain. He opened a door that had been sealed shut. His 112 days proved that the concept was possible. That leap of faith paved the way for the incredible heart-assisting devices we have today. Modern artificial hearts are now much smaller, more efficient, and in some cases completely wireless. They are saving thousands of lives every year, giving people a second chance they never thought they'd have. We've gone from a single, miraculous experiment to a medical reality, and the journey is far from over. The ultimate dream for scientists and engineers, a fully implantable artificial heart with no external wires or power sources. A true, self-contained mechanical heartbeat that could last a lifetime. And with every new discovery, humanity gets closer to making that dream a reality. If this story of science, courage, and survival blew your mind, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We love exploring the moments where history meets the future. Now, I want to hear from you. What should we explore next? Are you more interested in other medical miracles, the secrets of genetic engineering, or the future of bionic humans? Drop your vote in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.